Valley shit, ho. Valley shit, ho. Yeah, that's the Valley. What's good, y'all? So we are now here at Glendale Galleria. Got the boy Cool in the building. Make sure you check out his channel if you're not already doing so. We just sliding through Glendale to see what it is. Gonna see what stores got what. Of course, if you see something fire, if we see something dope, I'll let you know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. So I don't know if you guys seen last time I went to Liz in Sherman Oaks. They got some stuff here. We're about to go ahead and check out and see what's going on here. They got a few different jerseys here. I don't know. You have to tell me what these are. Chicago, Rings and Crowns, New York jersey. This thing right here is kind of crazy. I like that. They got some more jerseys up here. Miami Giants. Buy one, get one 50% off. Not bad. Oh, you good. Bulls, Mitchell & Ness jersey. $98. Get the second one 50% off. Pretty cool. Raptors, T-Mac, black one. That one's pretty fire. You got the red T-Mac also here. You got a Utah Jazz Karl Malone. Pretty fire, bro. I like this color combination. $98 on that. Buy one, get the other one 50% off. There is somebody out there looking for jerseys. I got the Ray Allen, Laker ones, Magic Johnson, James Harden jersey on the Brooklyn Nets, Kyle Kuzma, or just Westbrook. Westbrook, Laker jersey. Unfortunate how that went. What's gonna happen with Westbrook, bro? Vancouver Grizzlies shorts over here, pretty dope. And of course they got a whole bunch of jerseys up top and hats too, but these aren't qualified for that offer. Pretty dope though. This is that Big Chew edition, I think, right? Yeah, $34. They got Dodgers and Boston Red Sox. These hats are pretty dope. I like this color combination. $49, $50 hat, fitted. I like these. I kind of like them. I'm not gonna get one myself, but I kind of like the theme of it. Not too bad. So this is the location that has the KD 14, as you guys can see right here. The latest edition of the KD. If you guys want to see a full review on this, I'll put a video up to check it out. Plus, I'll put a link so you guys can check it out if you want to. And then they also have these. These are probably the best, one of the best colorways of the Kyrie Low 5. Definitely top 3. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. They got these on deck too for women. This is like a bigger size right here. The blue with the satin. We've seen this on one of the previous trips out and about. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Over here in the grade school, you guys can see they got a pair or two of these still on deck. So these things are chilling out. I don't know if it's safe to say they're sitting, but they do have a pair of these bleach curl Jordan 1s, pretty dope, as well as these Dunk Low or Dunk Highs that I got next. And these have those bubbles on it too, which some people think they're raindrops. They got some pretty dope stuff here as you guys can see, bro. So they got Panda Highs chilling in men's sizes. It's something you definitely don't see that often. Crazy to see this, came by Nike. Then they have these over here chilling out, which is like isn't this like the off-white situation? $185 on the retail, the black colorway. I'm pretty sure this one here is worth some money. It's retail for $180. Are you serious? $185? That's crazy. And then they also have these Air Force One, the purple skeletons. These are definitely pretty cool too. Purple retail is $130 on these. Not too bad. What do you guys think about this colorway? These are crazy. What do you guys think about these in the comments below? $170 on the retail. Pretty clean. This colorway is pretty dope. What do you guys think about this trail run? Kind of got the army green. Pretty clean. So they do have a pair of these barbershop dunks again on the women's side. Retail for $95. Let me know what you guys think about these, and did you guys pass on these or try to go after them? But Nike has them just here chilling out. Cop pass, fire, or trash. They got these again, these dunks, these Dunk Highs for the women. Not many people like them. What do you guys think about this colorway? cop pass, fire or trash. Another colorway of the Nike Pegasus Trail 3, retail for $130. I like this colorway. What do you guys think about this one? They got them in a few colorways right there too. Out of the three, which one do you guys like the most? Got a pretty good blazer collection, Air Force One triple whites. Nothing else really to write home about, just some things you guys have seen before. Got some new type of Jordan slides. These things got some weight to them. I want to know your opinion, that's why I'm showing them. $95 on the retail, cop pass, fire or trash. Nike Tech Fleece, pretty dope here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Pretty dope though, I think, if you ask me. Black colorway. They got Sonic Air Jordan 1 mids. What do you guys think about this? This is like a bigger size right here. They also have the tie-dye lows as well as the tie-dye mids and these ones. This is pretty clean, man. Looking better and better the more and more I see them later and later, bro. B-roll. So, this location still got some stage hazes sitting, bro. Still sitting at the store. I thought this one would sell out. The crack material on here is pretty dope. I thought people would like that. Maybe it's a sign of times. The 312 Legacies and the red colorway. This is a colorway we talked about before on the channel. I do think this one is pretty dope. And then I have a full review on this one on the channel. This is a bigger size right here. Legacy 312 low in the Chicago or Wolf Gray colorway. Not Chicago, but Wolf Gray colorway. They got 7s, they got 5s on deck. But I'm surprised they still got the stage hazes, bleach curl, whichever way you would like to call them. These are bigger sizes. Normally the bigger sizes went fast. Maybe times are just changing overall, I don't know. But they got these here, as well as the Visionaires. They got a lot of them still chilling out here, man. Kind of crazy to see this, but I guess that's what's going on. Here we go, we found a better one. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Colorway's pretty dope though. $210 on the retail, cop pass, fire or trash. They still got these Barkers on deck too, man. This colorway is definitely fire. I just couldn't pull the trigger on them, man. Watch y'all regret it. $160 on the retail, cop pass, fire or trash. It's like a new Flyknit racer. I haven't seen this colorway or this design. $160 on the retail. Let me know what you guys think. Air Max Flyknit racer. Here's that Big Chew edition in another colorway. $50 for these hats. They got them in a few colorways, I guess. I thought they only came in those 3, but I guess the Big Chew edition comes in a few colorways. Got the pin that comes with it too. That's pretty dope. I want one of these pins, but I'm gonna be good. I don't, you know. Maybe somebody will give away pins or something like that. The purple one's pretty fire too. All fitted hats. I'm more of a snapback type person, which is crazy because if you know me growing up, you know that I never really liked fitted hats. No, I never liked snapbacks. But now all I like is snapbacks because I have my hair, it grows out and it goes down, grows out, cut it. So with snapbacks, you can adjust your hat and wear it no matter what your hair is looking like. But with fitteds, you can only wear them for one way. You feel me? So yeah, I'm in love with snapbacks now.